Good morning. So now we are going to start working on part 1. Notice it must be finished within 50 minutes. I hope you will have some blank pages on your side, on your table to start writing on. I will use an electronic version of blank pages. Right away on the top of the blank pages, write down your name. Okay, so I will write down my name here on the top. Part 1, midterm, spring 2020. All right. So this tells me who has written the answers. All right. Now, question 1. Let friends be this list of strings: John, Jane, Mike, Mika, Neil, Neela. Write a one-line expression. So they want only one line which replaces the Mike by Matt. So let me write down. Why does this go to default color? Okay, so made it black. Good. So for first question, I want to replace this list, in this list, Mike by Matt. Notice what is the index of Mike? 0, 1, 2. So I can use a list approach, okay, and say the following: friends 2 equals Matt. All right. Okay. That should work. Why? Because friends is a list and list is mutable. Mutable means it changes in place. So this command replaces Mike, which is in index 2 position, 0, 1, 2. So index 2 position item or entry has been assigned the literal string literal Matt. So friends being a list, it is mutable, and this will replace Mike by Matt in one line. At this point, let me point out to our lecture notes, page 21 of our lecture notes. Yeah, 22. So page 21 of the file, but 22 of the PDF. Here are all the list mutator methods, accessor methods in the next block, and behaviors that generate a new list. All right. So the method I'm using is this one. All right. Replacing element. So notice these are things that you must know even without opening the book. All right. So that was question 1. Question 2. List comprehension. Okay. Let this be a list. Use list comprehension to generate another list consisting of only positive entries of L. So we want only positive entries of L, and you want another list entirely. All right. So let me say with second question. All right. I'm going to create another list there. Okay, so another L is, take every entry from L, take every entry from L which are positive. In other words, I must be able to skip negative 23. I must be able to skip negative 78. So take those entries from L for entry in L if entry is positive. Positive means greater than 0 means positive. All right. So this is list comprehension. So consider the list of those entries for those entries in L if entry is greater than 0. So this is the format. Okay. So for those of you who want to refer to the lecture notes, if you could go to page 36 of the lecture notes, you have list comprehension. The example we just covered, entry for entry in transactions if entry greater than 0. This was precisely the question. In general, the format is given expression for some identifier in your chosen sequence if the condition. All right.